Think you know all the big Himalayan peaks? Meet Pikey Peak, Nepal's hidden gem. Sir Edmund Hillary called its view his favorite in all of Nepal, and for good reason. From 4,065 meters, you see Everest, Lhotse, Makalu, and Kanchenjunga in one breathtaking sweep. Unlike crowded base camp trails, Pikey Peak is quiet, raw, and real, perfect for those craving solitude and authentic Sherpa culture. Trek through blooming rhododendron forests and peaceful villages where time slows down. No need to be a mountaineer. The trail is accessible, welcoming beginners with open arms. Stay in tea houses, share meals, and experience Sherpa hospitality firsthand. This isn't just a trek. It's a journey into the heart of Nepal, where every step rewards you with beauty and meaning. Pikey Peak, where the spirit of adventure is alive and well. Let's break down the essentials for your Pikey Peak adventure. Permits are a must. Tim's card, $20, and Gaurashankar Conservation Area permit, $30. Don't skip them, fines are steep. Get to the trailhead by shared jeep from Kathmandu for $25, $35 each way. Private jeeps cost much more. Indian citizens pay less for permits. Check local rates. Tea house rooms run $5, $10 per night. Meals about $25, $35 per day. Dal bhat is your go-to fuel. Bring a water filter to save money and reduce plastic waste. Guides cost $25, $35 per day and are highly recommended, especially for beginners. Porters are $20, $25 per day if you need help with your pack. Always tip your crew. They're the backbone of your trek. With smart planning, Pikey Peak is an affordable Himalayan adventure. Trekking solo, you'll find freedom and self-reliance, but you'll shoulder all costs and responsibilities. Solo with a guide costs about $45, $60 per day. Worth it for safety and local insight. Groups are cost-effective and social. Split expenses and share the journey. Agency packages, 7-9 days, run $600, $900 per person, all inclusive. Couples get intimacy and flexibility, sharing costs and experiences. Just be sure you're both ready for the challenge. Family treks create lifelong memories and teach resilience, but require slower pacing and extra planning. Agencies offer family discounts. Hire a guide and porter for comfort and safety. For all trekkers, adapt to the slowest member, keep it fun, and focus on the journey. Whether solo, with friends or family, Pikey Peak offers an adventure for everyone. Choose your style, plan ahead, and embrace the mountain together. The right company makes every step more rewarding. Timing is everything for Pikey Peak. Trek in autumn, Sept-Nov, for clear skies, lush landscapes, and the best mountain views. Spring, May, brings blooming rhododendrons and pleasant weather, perfect for nature lovers. Avoid the monsoon, Junog. Heavy rain, leeches, landslides, and zero views. Winter, Dekfeb, is brutally cold, with snow-blocked trails and closed tea houses, only for experts. For most, autumn and spring are safest and most rewarding. Plan your trek for these windows to maximize beauty and minimize risk. The right season transforms your adventure. Choose wisely, and the Himalayas will reward you. Altitude is the real challenge. AMS can hit anyone, so respect the mountain. Ascend slowly, climb high, sleep low, and don't gain more than 300–500 meters in sleeping elevation per day above 3,000 meters. Hydrate, 3 to 4 liters daily, and avoid alcohol and smoking. Eat carbs, even if you lose your appetite. Watch for headaches, nausea, or dizziness. If symptoms worsen, descend immediately. Pack light but smart layers, waterproof jacket, broken-in boots, first aid kit, and water purification. Be flexible. Weather and trail conditions change fast. Always have travel insurance covering high-altitude trekking and emergency evacuation. Listen to your guide and your body. Safety comes first. Prepare well, and your Pikey Peak adventure will be unforgettable.